to heart sounds, you want to listen with the bell of your stethoscope. This is because the bell of the stethoscope is able to pick up any abnormal sounds that may be present. You will then listen at the fourth intercostal space, either the left or the right lateral sternal borders. This is known as the tricuspid area.